Hey everyone, welcome to the 12 days of Halloween with 25 Sweetpeas. Today is day 11 and our theme is a Dotticure because I wanted to put a Dotticure theme towards the end of this. So if you were looking for a really quick last minute manicure for Halloween, you would have something. So first off, I am doing a purple green sort of theme and I'm starting off with 2 coats of Lilac It by Heroine NYC, which I've mentioned in a few other videos. And then I'm going to be using a purple holographic polish from MLF Lacquer as well as a green holographic MLF Lacquer polish, and I will put the names down in the description box below. And I'm just going to create a Dotticure gradation. So I'm putting a lot of dots towards the cuticle area and then I'm kind of thinning it out as I go down. Then I thought to kind of bring this whole color scheme together, I would also use a gray, and for this I just use a gray acrylic paint and put in some smaller dots here and there to fill in some areas just to give it a better whole look for a gradation sort of thing. So after that, I'm going to let everything dry and then apply my top coat. Today I decided to go with a shiny top coat. I'm using the Moonshine Mani top coat, which I absolutely love. And that is it. You have a really cute, really quick manicure that you could totally do in any sort of color scheme. In years past, I have done it in like orange and black, and of course that is your traditional Halloween, but I felt like changing it up this year. So here's that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's manicure. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching this whole series. Tomorrow is the final day and I'm really looking forward to it. So be sure to tune in tomorrow for the final design of the 12 days of Halloween, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye!